I come back, well, it's not funny. Um, Zanotando's out, guys, and I called it. I'm not proud of it, but I did say that Zanotando is gonna go home this week, and he's gone home. It's not a satisfaction for me, but I know that so many people were hoping that he would be gone by this time already. I don't know why. Actually, let me ask the question: why do you guys I don't want to use the word hate because that's a strong word. Why do you guys dislike Zanotando so much that you will want him to go home? Because I see on social network everyone wanted Zanotando to go home by top 10, top 5, top 6. Everyone wanted Zanotando to go home already by then, and it finally happened, and I guess everyone now is happy about it. Such a disappointment for me, because as much as I may have called it last week that Zanotando is gonna go home, I felt like last week Zanotando was one of the best performers of the night. He did great. He has this South African voice, this African voice, and he's a great performer. He's a great entertainer as well. He's got a lot of confidence, and to see him go, especially looking at the fact that the Idols winner will have a contract with Kalawa Jazmee. It's a recording company there. It's quite disappointing, because if you look at the fact that the kind of music that they make there in the Kalawa Jazmee, you'll see that it will resonate more with Zanotando than any other contestant in the competition right now. So it's such a big loss, for the Idols competition in that regard. But I know that so many people felt like he's not a great singer, and he's a great performer, and probably that may be the reason why Zanotando has stayed so long in a competition, because Idols does not only look at your singing abilities, they also look at how you perform, and then your fans will appreciate your performance, which is the combination of the singing and the dancing and the whole performance. So, and I felt like Zanotando gave all the performances that 100%, and his cover for almost all his South African music that he's covered, I felt like he did everything with distinction. Like the songs he covered for Kaifa Semenya, all those songs, it actually sounded like they were his records. It's such a sad moment for us to see him go, but based on the voting trends and what we see with the competition previously, I just felt like Zanotando won't survive this week, and he didn't. Sad news, but it's good news for Mr. Music and Zama and Brandon. So now these are the top 3: Zama, Mr. Music, and Brandon. The question is, who's gonna go home next week? I'm not there to tell you again, because I can guess it. Actually, I feel like anyone who watches the competition can actually simply guess who's gonna go home next week, and you can easily guess based on tonight's performance or tonight's response. You'll see that it's a tough competition. Because I feel like from the top 4, Zanotando, Mr. Music, Zama, and Brandon, I feel like those guys all deserve to win the competition. All of them. And I feel like it was a tight competition so far. So far, it's been a tight competition. It's been a very entertaining one. You never know who's going home, but you can tell. You can almost tell who's going to go home, but you're not really sure, because all of these guys are strong. They just have different qualities, which now, make them to either stay or go home. So your qualities, performance, singing, the way people perceive you, if you're lucky enough, if your luck is on the side, you may not be vocally strong, but then if you have people that just love you normally, you are in. You can stay longer. There's few people that are in the competition so far that I feel like people just love them irregardless. So yeah, that's all I can say. I don't know who's gonna go home next week. Because it's easy to predict these idols things, guys. I mean, you can tell me that, or maybe we can all agree that based on tonight's performances and the responses, I feel like maybe my prediction as far as who's gonna go to the top two may change a little bit, but one person is still there. Mr. Music is gonna go into the top two, which is the finale, and then between Brandon and Zama, I feel like because Zama is a young girl, you know, people love her innocence. You know, she's a great singer as well. Her voice is great. I feel like she's the best singer right now in the competition. She's the best person with the best voice. I don't know how to put that. How do you put that? English. Oh, and then, but then she almost like pulls herself down because of the whole performance requirements that the competition asks from you. But her singing and the fact that she's lovable, she's pretty, she's beautiful, she can sing, she's got a great voice, you know, angelic voice actually. She can survive. I feel like she can be in a finale, her and Mr. Music. So next week is gonna be Brandon who's gonna go home. I hate saying these kind of things because they normally happen. They tend to happen. So Mr. Music, people love him, and his renditions of all this South African music, people know most of the songs that he sings. So it's easy for people to actually vote for him. And then with Brandon, he's got a great voice, you know. But then I'm not sure if Brandon's fans, if you look at Brandon's supporters and Mr. Music supporters and Zama, I feel like as much as Brandon can give the best performances, whatever he can do, there's nothing he can do to control what's going to happen next week. I hate saying this, but because of that, the type of fans, the type of supporters that are there, I feel like there's so many people that are staunch supporters of Mr. Music, and there's also a lot of people that are staunch supporters of Zama. You know, previously in a competition, we will see a contestant gets votes based on the fact that the guy is from a particular region of South Africa. You know, if you are from the KZN, normally you will gain a lot of votes because radio stations that side, there will be a lot of big campaigns around you as a contestant from the KZN. So most people from KZN will normally win the competition. Now with Mr. Music, you know, is Mr. Music coming from the KZN or is it Mpumalanga? I think it's KZN if I'm not mistaken. And then there's Zama, who is like the Xhosa girl. It's Xhosa girl. So most people will vote for Zama and most people will vote for Mr. Music. Brandon is from Mpumalanga. Yes, we had a Mpumalanga person in Musa winning the competition before. So it's not always the case where people will vote for the KZN person if there's a KZN in a finale, you know. But now Mr. Music, I feel, is putting a great fight and he deserves to be in the finale. And I feel like him and Zama will go to the finale. Yeah. So that's a little change I have there as far as who's going to go to the finals. Looking at tonight's performances and studying the way people vote, and I can gauge, you know, these things you can tell, man. Idols, it's almost like it's scripted. You can tell what's going to happen. So next week it's going to be Brandon who's going to go home, unless if there's going to be a big upset in Zama going home or Mr. Music going home, which I hardly see that happening. So it's been a tough competition, guys. These guys deserve to be here. I mean, if you look at Zama, she's been here. I mean, I remember her first audition. Randall wasn't really sure about her, you know. He wasn't really sure whether she would be able to sustain herself in the theater week and also the live shows, or whether she would be able to survive the pressure of idols, you know, because she's young and everything. But then Unathi gave her a nod, and then look where we are. Zama is almost going to the finale. I feel she's gonna go to the finale. I'm not gonna talk about the whole gender balance because it's votes this time. It's people that are voting, so it's possible that she can go home, but I don't see Zama going home. Yeah, because she's got a very strong support, a lot of fans. She's got a lot of fans there, and she's worked so hard to garner those fans. Mr. Music, on the other hand, has got lots of fans. Brandon will get votes, but I'm not sure if those votes will be coming from his stable or his, did I say stable? Yeah, like his sort of territory of fans. I'm not sure, but he got a lot of votes because he can sing. Obviously, he's a great person. He's a great performer. He sings well. He's a good entertainer as well. So I'd like to see him win the competition, but unfortunately, it's not going to happen. Brandon will go home next week. I know I'm gonna get a lot of backlash for saying this, but that is how I see it, and it's my opinion. So you can also tell me your opinion down below by commenting. Tell me who do you think is gonna go home next week? Don't tell me it's gonna be Mr. Music. No, that guy can even win the competition. Mr. Music. So it's gonna be a tough battle in the finale there. I can't wait to watch it, the guys. I can't wait to watch it. I can't wait to watch that. But yeah, so that's all I had for you guys. I'm not gonna be long. Thank you very much for subscribing and also watching the video. Thank you very much for watching the video, and hope to see you in the next upload. My name is Mandla Legere Gingrikan Wakamashaban Kanuk Ekes Dots. I'm testing it. Salut, mga titimel.